Getting rid of crabgrass requires persistence and a combination of methods. So here's a step-by-step guide which I'll also put in the description. Number 1, manual removal. So pull out the crabgrass by hand, ensuring that you remove the entire root, because it's easiest to do this after the rain when the soil is moist. Number 2, mow regularly. Keep your lawn mowed to about a height of 2.5 to 3 inches. This helps prevent crabgrass from seeding and spreading. Number 3, fertilize properly. So apply a nitrogen-rich fertilizer in the spring to encourage a healthy grass growth. A strong lawn can outcompete crabgrass. So number 4, overseed. Thickening your lawn by overseeding can help crowd out crabgrass. So choose grass seed appropriate for your region. Number 5, pre-emergent herbicides. In early spring, apply a pre-emergent herbicide to prevent crabgrass from seeding and germinating. So follow the product instructions carefully. Number 6, post-emergent herbicides. So if crabgrass is already present, use a post-emergent herbicide specifically designed for crabgrass. Apply it during the active growing season, basically. So number 7, water wisely. So water your lawn deeply and basically infrequently. This encourages deeper root growth in your grass and makes it more resilient. Number 8, improve the drainage. So ensure your lawn has good drainage to prevent areas of standing water, which can promote crabgrass growth. And by using these strategies consistently, you can effectively reduce and manage your crabgrass in your lawn.